Hey Vanessa, how you doing? I'm gonna make you a video and see if this helps. Okay, so let's start with, oh, it's shadowy. Hold on. Oh, hold on. Okay, this should be better. So let's start when you're just graphing something. So here's a graph. And you're gonna get an equation that's in this format. Y equals mx plus b. So whatever is in this spot right here tells you the slope. And whatever is in this spot right here, that tells you where it's going to cross the y-intercept. Okay, so on the graph, this is your y-axis, and this is your x-axis. So, say for example, I have an equation that's something like y equals 3 over 2x minus 4. So this minus 4 right here, that tells me where I'm going to cross the y-intercept. So you go over here and you go 1, 2, 3, 4. This is at minus 4. And that's where your graph starts. It's right there at minus 4. Then this piece right here tells you the slope. And this says you're going to go up 3 and over 2. So from here, from your starting spot, you're going to go up 3, 1, 2, 3, and over 2, 1, 2. Okay, now you have those 2 points, so that's where your line's going to be. So that's how you graph the line. So over here, this is the first problem on lesson number 5. They're going to give you this first equation right here. So the negative 4 right there is where you're going to start your graph. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's where I'm starting. Now this one is my slope. It's not a fraction, but I'm going to make it a fraction by doing that. So that says I go up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. So from my starting spot, I'm going to go up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, like that. And, whoops, not straight, sorry. That is the line that matches this equation. They call it f of x. That's what they call this line. So I'm going to call that line f of x. All right, that's how you graph that. Now, get a different color here. The new one that they're calling g of x, they say they want it to go up 3 more from where the f is. So I just have to move everything up 3. So I'm going to take this one, move it up 3. 1, 2, 3. This one, 1, 2, 3. This one, 1, 2, 3. Everything's just going up 3. 1, 2, 3. All right. Now I'm going to draw that line. That's the new one. Moved up 3, and they called this one g of x. That's the name of that one. Okay, but when you answer this, they want the equation for the g of x. They want to know where it crosses and what its slope is. So the slope is actually the same as this. We didn't change the slope. It is still going up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. So the slope is the same. So that is going to stay the same as this one, 2x. Now the thing that changes though is where it crosses the y-intercept. Right now, this is crossing at -1. So right here, I'm going to put -1. And this is the part you put in to the computer. Okay? Here's another way to think about it, kind of a shortcut way to think about it. You could say, all right, I need to know what g of x is. I'm going to keep the slope. That's going to be the same, 2x. But I'm going to take this number, this -4, I'm going to add it to that number. So -4 plus 3 is a -1. That's another way to do it. Okay, so I hope that helps. If you still have questions, no problem. Just send me an email. Okay, bye.